How to reduce size of Excel file. There are several ways to reduce the size of an Excel file, depending on the type and amount of data you have. Here are some common methods you can try. Remove unnecessary worksheets or data that you are not using or referencing in any formulas. This will reduce the amount of data stored in the file and make it easier to open and save. Save your spreadsheet in binary .xlsp format instead of the default .xlsx. Format. The binary format is more compact and efficient than the XML-based format and can save up to 75% of the file size. However, this may affect the compatibility with some third-party programs that use XML. To save your file as binary, go to File Save As and select Excel Binary Workbook, star.xlsp, from the list of file types. Remove unnecessary formulas or replace them with values if possible. Formulas take up more space than values and also require more calculation time. To replace formulas with values, select the cells with formulas, copy them, and then paste them as values, Ctrl+Alt+VV. Compress pictures or remove them if they are not essential. Pictures can take up a lot of space in an Excel file and slow down the performance. To compress pictures, select a picture in your document, go to the Picture Format tab, and click Compress Pictures. You can choose to discard editing data, delete crop areas, and lower the resolution of the pictures. To remove pictures, select them and press Delete. Don't save the pivot cache with the file if you have pivot tables in your spreadsheet. The pivot cache is a copy of the source data used by the pivot table and it can increase the file size significantly. To avoid saving the pivot cache, go to File Options Data and uncheck Save Source Data with File under Pivot Table Data section. Note that this will require you to refresh the pivot table every time you open the file. Remove data formatting or conditional formatting that you don't need. Formatting can add extra bytes to your file size and also affect the calculation speed. To remove formatting, select the cells you want to clear, go to Home Editing Clear Formats. To remove conditional formatting, go to Home Styles Conditional Formatting Clear Rules from entire sheet. Compress the Excel file using a zip program such as WinZip or 7-zip. This will create a smaller version of your file that you can easily share via email or online storage. To compress a file, right-click on it and select Send to Compressed, Zipped, Folder.